There are certain things at the end of the day that are extremely exciting to receive. Packages like this are certainly one of them. This is a package from a company that I've been following online for many, many years, called the Positive Teacher Company. And they create the most amazing teacher planners. So I'm extremely excited to receive them. All of the planners, as you can see, are extremely well packaged. So I have no idea what is in each one, genuinely, but I am excited to announce that I am going to be an affiliate for the Positive Teacher Company. And if you use the code Thomas15, then you'll get 15% off your order too. So let's jump into what's inside. Oh, it's like Christmas. Ooh, okay, this one is linen, I believe. It's like a grey, it's really nice grey. On the front, you can see Weekly Planner 2024, and on the back, you've got the Positive Teacher Company logo. I'm going to show you inside in a second. This one, oh, this is very exciting. Oh, yes. Now, if you know me, you know I love a sunset. This is Sunset Sands, and this is a huge notebook, and this is a smaller notebook. I love thin notebooks as well, but I'm certainly going to fill this, and it's got lots of different organisers inside too. We'll jump into that in a second as well. And then finally, we have, I don't even know. Oh, yes. This is Grass in the Process, or something along those lines. And what I like about these diaries, for the longest amount of time, I've struggled as a teacher to find diaries that are actually appropriate for males. You find them, they've often got a lot of pink on them, and these are diaries that I'm actually going to use. So let's get rid of this and get into them. So here is the teacher planner, the weekly planner, and the notebook inside here too. Inside the teacher planner, you've got a range of different sections: teacher focus, calendar, term plans, weekly plans, meetings, and records too. We have a look at the calendar. You can see it's broken down into a calendar, term plans with a vision board with long-term overviews so that you can break things down as needed. And then in your weekly plans, which is what I'm most likely to use, you've got your schemes that you're following so that you can track different tools and passwords and bits and pieces like that. And then you've got your breakdown throughout the year as well. I personally really like the to-do list as well. Meetings as well, because I never keep on top of my meetings. That's really useful. And then a range of different records if you need them for different assessment purposes and things like that too. At the back, there is also a little plastic pouch section for important documents. The weekly planner is extremely extensive. It's got the calendar at the front, and then monthly overviews. And then as we flick through, get onto the weekly section. So here's October with a range of priorities, to-do list, events for the week, and then a range of different notes. This for me is brilliant because you can be really flexible with it and use it in a range of different ways. And as we go to the back, it's just an extra page for notes too. And finally, we got the notebook. The notebook, as you can expect, little one. And then our actual notebook as well. Just has lots of different sections, which I really like. Got spaces for notes. There's a little notebook. Got to-do lists, a range of different to-do lists and things that you might be tracking at the time. I really like the flexibility of this. Different idea generation spaces. This gives me loads of flexibility and things that I can do it with. And then finally, we've got meetings, so you can track all of your meetings too. Definitely don't sleep on this one. This, I think, has loads of flexibility, not just for in the classroom, but outside of the classroom too. So there we go, a range of different diaries and notebooks from the Positive Teacher Company. They also do deliver to the UAE now. These are designs that I feel are a little bit more male-centric. However, they've got a bunch of other designs too, which are really exciting, available on their website too. Thomas15 will give you a 15% discount on your order too. So feel free to use that code, and I am genuinely really excited to work with these guys and share the amazing things that they do. They've been going for a while now, and lots and lots of teachers in the UK use these, but also worldwide too. So definitely go and give them a check out. See you in another video. Until then, I'm out.